Secure your future. Retirement is something we all dream of, but it's essential to plan for it to ensure a comfortable and stress-free future. Step 1. Evaluate your current financial situation. Take a look at your income, expenses, and debts. Understanding where you stand financially will help you set appropriate retirement goals. Step 2. Determine your retirement needs. Consider things like living expenses, healthcare costs, and any travel or leisure activities you may want to enjoy during your golden years. Remember to account for inflation and potential unforeseen circumstances. Step 3. Create a retirement savings plan. Start by contributing to retirement accounts, such as 401 or IRAs. Take advantage of employer matching programs and set aside as much as you can afford. Step 4. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore various investment options like stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. A diversified portfolio can help protect your savings and maximize growth potential. Step 5. Consider working with a financial advisor. An expert can provide personalized advice based on your unique situation. They can help you develop a solid retirement plan and guide you through the process. Step 6. Revisit and adjust your plan annually. Life circumstances change, and so should your retirement strategy. Regularly review your investments, reassess your retirement needs, and adjust your plan accordingly. Remember, starting early is crucial. The more time your savings have to grow, the better prepared you'll be for retirement. Thanks for watching. For more valuable tips and information, subscribe to our channel. Start planning for your retirement today and secure a happy and worry-free future.